Hi folks, a new video today we will talk about STEPN. STEPN cost today is $1.34 United States dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $653,690,976 United States dollars, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. We truly update our GMT to United States dollars cost continuously amazingly. STEPN for the most part is down 488% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which really is very huge. The very current market cap pretty positioning essentially is number 63, with a live market cap of $804,035,219 United States dollars and a significant manner. It truly has a coursing supply of 600,000,000 GMT coins and a maximum supply of 600,000,000 GMT coins. The cryptosphere has been liberal to growing undertakings in the business. Various which really take special care of different areas of the business, or so they especially thought. One most certainly such venture fundamentally is STEPN, which basically has surprised the business with its genuinely novel methodology, which especially is genuinely critical. STEPN is a Web 3.0 way of life application, which holds components of SocialFi and GMT. The convention especially has attracted in various financial backers with its award strategies. In the midst of the choppiness in the business, STEPN's GMT in a real sense has been one of the modest bunch tokens to basically have depicted euphoric cost truly runs in a quite large manner. Are you one of the many who by and large have been thinking about GMT for speculations, which sort of is very critical? Look no further, as this review will in a real sense cover the doable cost expectations for 2022 and the years to come, which essentially is very critical. After the progress of STEPN's IDO in the period of March and in every practical sense, huge way. The value of its sort of local essentially token GMT was seen exchanging at $0.0193 on the 9th of March, which generally is genuinely critical. STEPN being another undertaking, sort of invited a large group of new financial backers in an especially significant manner. Who in every practical sense helped truly move the cost by a bewildering 49,512.19% to $3.1499 by the 1st of April, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Post which, the computerized resource adjusted itself to levels around $2.132 over the really 1 week from now. Following this, the advanced sort of token truly moved to $3.853 by the 19th of April, which basically is genuinely huge. After a pullback to $3.12 by the 21st of April. GMT's value raised to its ATH of $4.11 on the 28th of April, which basically is very critical. The RSI breaking grade over the overbought districts required a dive in a kind of significant manner, which took the cost to 88 cents on the 12th of May and in every way that really matters, huge way. The crypto resource in every practical sense is by adhering nearer to its help levels of $1.427, or so they thought. Going ahead in the quarter, in the event that GMT's value figures out how to develop greener candles in an inconspicuous manner basically. Further looking for impulse from purchasers, the cost could sort of close the quarter at a truly limit of $2.158, or so they generally thought. On the drawback, congruity in the predominance of the most certainly bears could grip the value down to $1.154, or so they thought. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $1.819, or so they in every practical sense thought. Wherefore, the cost of GMT could flood to its genuinely possible pretty high of $2.901, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the other hand, neglecting to sort of resolve to its drives, the cost could drop to $2.38 in a sort of large manner. Obliged by the direct energy, the kind of typical cost could settle at $2.067 in a very significant manner. Value forecast for 2023, If the creators of the convention fundamentally utilize local area driving drives and motivators, the cost could secure a very limit of $9.949 by 2023, which basically is very huge. Be that as it may, delayed predominance of truly bears could generally dive the cost to $3.87, or so they generally thought. Value prediction of GMT for 2024 on an in every practical sense, positive note, the venture could really draw in eminent receptions, joint efforts, and huge cash speculations, wherefore, the cost could rocket to $21.212 in an unpretentious manner. Hopeat, an especially conceivable monetary emergency or administrative clampdowns could drop the cost to $9.446, which is genuinely critical. What generally is STEPN, GMT, in a kind of significant way. In an expanse of crypto resources, STEPN separates itself as a Web 3.0 way of life application, exhibiting how the ongoing CoinMarketCap truly positioning in every way that really matters, is number 63, with a live market cap of $804,035,219 United States dollars, or so the generally thought. Which really holds components of SocialFi and GMT in a fundamentally enormous way. The convention sort of is the main NFT project, which utilizes the transition to procure idea, which is very critical. STEPN empowers clients to really purchase NFT tennis shoes, through which the clients can basically procure monetary standards while strolling, running, exhibiting how it essentially has a coursing supply of 600,000,000 GMT coins and a maximum, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The undertaking for the most part centers around reforming the business with its presence and wellness, which generally is very huge. While additionally assisting clients with adapting, while driving a sound way of life, which for the most part is genuinely huge. STEPN likewise counters issues like verification of movement. In the long stretch of March 2022, the task really had delivered its administration certainly token GMT, which most certainly means greener metaverse token in a kind of significant way. The local by and large token is on Solana and permits holders to propose and decide on advancements and the dissemination of depository incredibly. Central analysis STEPN basically was established in the long stretch of August of 2021 by sort of Australian business visionaries Yan Rong and Jerry Huang, or so they essentially thought. Mr. Yan explicitly holds mastery in blockchain and in a real sense had recently established crypto SA in a very significant manner. Which for the most part is a crypto asset and supportive of guideline examiner, which sort of is genuinely huge. He explicitly has filled in as an agent of the South really Australian Blockchain Association in an exceptionally huge manner. And furthermore as an envoy for Algorand. On the sort of other hand, fellow benefactor Jerry is a game designer and pioneer behind Falafel Games, or so they generally thought. The undertaking in every way that really matters has brought around $5 up in a seed round from adventure pretty capital firms essentially like Sequoia Capital, Folius Ventures, and Solana Capital, among others. STEPN utilizes the double symbolic postulation. While GST generally is the utility token, GMT is the administration token, which fundamentally is very huge. The utility pretty symbolic flaunts a limitless inventory and in every practical sense is compensated to clients for development. It additionally has in every way that really matters, consumes systems to counter expansion. On the other hand, GMT by and large is compensated after the clients generally have stepped up their tennis shoes to even out 30. There in a real sense are a fundamentally complete of 6 billion GMT in supply. It is truly discovered that GMT would essentially be divided once in 3 years incredibly. Our price prediction in a sort of significant manner. According to Crypto Vault figured out value forecast of ST